Hello and welcome to Fragola Performance Systems. My name is Brett McClellan, and today our tech video is going to focus on the installation of our 2000 and 3000 series hose ends on our black nylon race hose and 3000 series stainless hose. Begin by wrapping the hose with a round and a half of tape. Next, using a chop saw, our hose cutting shears, or die grinder, make a clean cut in the hose. Unscrew the socket from the hose end and fasten this into a vise using a pair of aluminum vise jaws. Start the hose on a 45-degree angle and work the hose into the socket. If needed, a flat-bladed screwdriver can help with this step. Screw the hose into the socket in a clockwise direction. On 2000 series compression-style hose ends, do this until the hose bottoms out, then back it out a 1/16 of an inch. Then, using a clean tapered punch, insert it into the ID of the hose and ream it just a little bit to bring it back up to the ID where it started. Apply a light coat of oil to the male threads on the hose end. Next, begin screwing the socket onto the hose end. You should be able to start this process by hand. Keep a hand on the hose and apply a little forward pressure to keep the hose from pushing out or spinning in the socket. Use an Allen wrench to finish assembly. Leave a 60 to 80 thousandths gap between the socket and hose end to prevent over-tightening. Upon final assembly, we recommend flushing the hose out with solvent or water and pressure testing before use. We recommend our hose test kit, part number 900060, our flush and test kit, part number 900557BL.